How to change username on RedNote. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on RedNote. In order to do so, first of all, open your RedNote application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the Me icon. Simply tap on it and then you will reach to this page. Here now you will need to look for the option Profile. You'll be able to see this profile option at the right side. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then now you'll be able to edit your profile information. In this profile page, here you will need to look for your name section and then tap on your name. Now you'll be able to edit it. Here it says you can only change your name once in 7 days. Make sure you have not changed it in these 7 days. Only then you'll be able to change it. Also, you will need to enter your username for at least 2 to 24 characters and that should not include any invalid characters like @ and others. Now, in order to change it, simply tap on this box and clear the previous name. Now you'll be able to add a new name. Enter your new name here and tap on the save option at the top right in order to save the changes. By doing so, you will see you have successfully changed your name or username on RedNote. So by following these steps, you can easily change your username on RedNote. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.